Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix low quality on Instagram Reels. So if you guys want to increase your quality on your Instagram Reels and posts, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, Reels, and also your profile section. So the first thing that you need to do guys is click on your profile icon and then you're going to be right here in this page. So once you're here in your profile page, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. You're going to find the account center, saved, archive, and so on. So right now, scroll down until you find your app and media. And here under it, you're going to find device permissions, archiving and downloading, accessibility and translation, language. And under it, you're going to find data usage and media quality. Go ahead and click on data usage and media quality. And then you're going to be right here in this page. Once you're here, under cellular data settings, you're going to find the option to use less data. You're going to find the option to enable or disable the data saver. And here, as you can see, guys, under this, you're going to find media upload quality. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find an option which is upload at highest quality. So this will let you always upload at the highest quality. So go ahead and enable this option, and then you're going to be able to always upload reels and post at the highest quality possible. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.